Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing this Molle panel in the Rubicon. This is from JCROffroad. I'll put a link down below. I'm not an affiliate or anything, it's just I thought it was a good idea. I got this idea from KC250, another YouTube channel. I'll put his link down below as well. But what this is going to allow me to do is create a mounting point up off of the ground for my electronics. One that I already have here is an Anytone ham radio. The other thing that we'll be doing is installing this USB charging power distribution unit in the glove box. This will allow me to run all of the USB cables up behind the dash. On the way, I have a GMRS radio from buy2wayradios.com, and that was on a recommendation from Randy over at Not a Rubicon. Again, linked down below. He's got a great channel. I find him super funny, and as much as he will hate this, I will actually call him the expert. The radio that I'm getting is an Wouxun or Wouxun or however you pronounce it. I'll put a link down below to everything that I ordered, and it's a 20 watt, and the guys at Buy2 Radio were super helpful. They put a whole package together with a few different options of antennas, mounting types, etc. that go with that particular radio. How this mounts is on the Freedom panels, one on the left and one on the right, where the little locking tabs are. You got to pull those off. This mounts in, and then the locking tabs go underneath this. And then on this side, up above on the roll bar, you have to drill 2 holes and then mount this into there. This is from JCROffroad, and then I'll put the link to this down below. enjoyed the video and found it useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe. I know I hate being cliche, but that really goes a long way with the YouTube algorithms. A couple things to note. You do have to drop the windshield, or at least unbolt it and tilt it forward about a ½ inch in order for that plate to drop down in where it's supposed to sit, so you can drill the holes for the front mounting. If you do have some sort of sunshade, alien shade, spider webs, etc., you will have to take those off at least halfway and then refeed it back up over the top and reinstall it. I was not expecting that. I was able to do that fairly quickly, but just note that it does add a little bit of extra stress due to the lips on the top of that shelf. You need to expect a little bit more tension on those bungees as you're reattaching them. So the next video, hopefully my radios will be in and we'll go through the install process. So like I said, we're going to have the install of a GMRS radio, a ham radio, and a power bank for USB chargers, and then I'll finally get my dash cam mounted up, and hopefully this can all be done within a week. Thanks for watching.